But the food's great. At least there aren't any games.
What kind of games?
Guess how big the mama is. Baby word search. Baby food taste.
So, what are you doing?
I think we should answer it this time.
I don't know. It's not our house. Technically, it is. It's the parsonage. Answer it.
Did you find a good one yet?
Hello, this is the Camden residence. Oh, well, they're not here. Okay, we'll try to find them. Lucy's in labor at the big department store. She's stuck in an elevator. An ambulance is on the way. We have to find Kevin in the Camdens.
How are we going to do that?
Sorry we were gone so long. You don't have to leave.
These meatballs are all dried up.
Lucy's stuck in the big department store elevator and she's having a baby.
Hey, Josiah, what are you doing? What are you doing, man?
Must be the woman having the baby.
I bet it's Lucy. Yeah, I bet it's Lucy too.
Could it be?
Why did you knock over my CD tower?
Excuse me.
Huh?
Excuse me, come through. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me.
You knocked it over.
That's not Lucy Kinkirk in there, is it? Lucy Kinkirk? Are you Kevin? No, I'm Mark.
Is it Lucy?
Or you take the whole rack out.
The guy in there with her is her brother. Matt's in there with her? Yeah, that's his name.
That way you can get all the CDs.
This is ridiculous. I can't wait for Sunday. The baby's coming. I can feel it coming.
Just try and hold on, Lucy. I think
Is that a good one?
we'll try to get you to the hospital.
I'm not going to make it. Oh, Kevin, where are you?
Come right here, Lucy. You better not be looking at my wife. Kevin, I'm a doctor. You're her brother. But I'm a doctor. I hope that doesn't mean what I think it means.
Kevin, the baby's coming. The baby's coming.
Okay, it's me or one of these strangers.
Oh, well, let's go with that.
I can do it. You?
Honey, no, you can't.
I can. I've got training. I'm a police officer, and I'm your husband, and I'm about to be your father. I'm delivering the baby. All right, we'll talk you through it.
Kevin, no, please. Just stay here right where I need to. Oh.
You're just afraid I'll pass out. Don't you think I can deliver the baby? I don't think so, Kevin. I can do it.
If you're watching this video, just realize that this is an episode of Seventh Heaven in the background. Kelly's new pastime.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Coming up. Sorry. Coming through. Sorry. Yeah, coming through.
Hey,
How did you know?
you do know that this is not your toy, right?
Get up here.
Josiah,
According to a doctor, she's doing fine.
this is my toy.
Is it her doctor or her brother?
Well, her doctor is her brother. I mean, her brother is a doctor, almost.
What do you mean almost? He's not like a vet or something.
He's in med school. The EMTs are in there. It'll be fine.
Excuse me. Mom?
What are you doing? Oh, I drove down to the shower. I stopped to get a gift. What's going on?
Lucy's stuck in the elevator. She's having the baby.
What?
We sent her here with Matt so that we could surprise her with a baby shower.
You're kidding. That's great. It's not great. Your sister's having a baby in the department store elevator.
Yeah, but still,
Who's that?
Yeah? Matt's delivering the baby?
You don't like that one?
Matt, Kevin, and a couple EMTs.
We can't go in there, can we?
No on that one too. But share you're interested in. Explain that. Nope, change your mind on share.
The baby is here! In the house! Yeah! And I didn't pass out!
Congratulations. We're really sorry about this. Glad everything turned out okay. But I'm sorry about the elevator. We'll see that Lucy has everything she needs. Anything she wants from the store is hers.
Oh.
I think we got it. Should we open the door?
All right, everyone, clear path. Gotta get a gurney in there. Make way for the new family.
Kelly Clarkson, that's a good CD. Did you miss one? Josiah, why'd you get into my CDs?